What's up guys, how you all doing? For today's video I got another mystery box. This one is $150, but when I was buying it, in the description it was saying survival, camping and hiking equipment. So let's see what I got for 150 bucks. You know I love camping and survival stuff, so I had to buy and put it to the test, one of these mystery boxes. Okay, let's open it up and find out what we got here. I really hope it's going to worth at least $150. I hope there is going to be some very unique items that I've never seen before and put to the test. This is why I bought this thing. You just never know what you're going to get. Okay, first of all, we got here, you know what, let me zoom in. Single scent drug. This is in the back right here, says for deer hunting. So there is a lot of hunting equipment. A little hatchet or a mini axe with a big fire striker. This right here at least like 12 bucks. It's actually a multi-tool mini axe. I like it. I'd say 12 bucks at least right here. I have no idea what this costs. Ooh, look at that. Cooking equipment, and this is a nice one. Check this out. And there's a couple pens right here. Super cool. I don't have one. And you know what? You know I use MREs all the time. I'm definitely going to use it. And it locks in to where it's not going to come out. Very nice cooking set right here. There's a lot more stuff. Let's see what else I have. Ooh! Professional quality tool. Smith & Wesson knife. I wonder how much this thing is. You know what? I'm going to pull up my phone and actually going to scan it and see how much this stuff is going to cost. Especially when there is a barcode, you can scan it on eBay or Amazon and see how much they go for. You know what? I'm going to go on Amazon. So all I have to do is scan a barcode just like this and it's recognize it. You know what? It does not recognize. Okay, $14 right here. Exact same knife. This is nice $14 knife. So if you have at least 10 things of $14, that's right away $140 plus shipping. This thing sold for around 10 bucks. You know what? Now you know how I'm gonna scan it later. First of all, I wanna keep it exciting, see what I'm gonna get, and then I'm gonna scan it all and evaluate, see if I'm gonna get more than $150. Okay, what else we got here? There's some kind of, fabulous fishing storage kit right here or something like that. Ooh, UST survival compass, I think. Lens static compass. That's very high-end compass. A lot of times when you buy super cheap compasses, they do not work. So this one looks good. Bunch of fishing hooks. I'm gonna be using it. I have a boat, like a little fishing, like 16 feet fishing boat. So I will be using that. Ooh, I like that. Bug lit LED micro flashlight. Oh, check this out. This is a little flashlight, and in the back it shows you how you can strap it on a backpack, on yourself, on a stick, or even you set it up like a spider. That's very unique. I like this survival or camping gadget. Never seen one before. That's why I like mystery boxes, because you never know what some other people will find. Look at this. I've seen this burn before. Oh, well, that's a garber. Of course I've seen garber before. Garber flask with aluminum pot down here. I'm not sure if it's supposed to come out. I think it does, so you can boil water inside of it, but it's kind of got stuck in there. Okay? Ooh, this is a good knife. Probably like $5, but I like this. Cheap knives, you can really use them up. Nice! Wow, this is getting better and better. High quality item. USO stormproof matches. You know guys, I have put them to the test multiple times. I love them. Okay, couple of hand warmers. I like those a lot too. What is this right here? Lure and cover scent dispenser. So deer hunting gadget right here. Never been deer hunting. More, what do you call it, fishing hooks. Ooh, what is this? This is a big box. You know what? I leave it till the end. I have a couple more items. This is a water jug backpack, brand new. I like it. I cannot wait to scan everything and see how much everything cost. We'll see if it was worth it or not. More fishing hooks. And the last box, I have no idea what this is. So there goes nothing. Notebook, pad, I like that. Very cool. You got here, what do you call it? Compressed towels. I like those a lot. You can go to the bathroom, wipe off your face. I have put that to the test about 4 years ago. It's a little wire saw, whistle, and paracord bracelet. Super cool. Multi-tool knife with a spoon. What else we have here? Knife. And one more piece? No. Yeah, one more knife right here. Oh, bottle opener and a fork. This is nice, I like it. Boom. Close it. Flashlight. Probably not included the battery. Yeah, it is. You just have to take it off the battery to activate it. Tiny flashlight, but with the lens in there. So nice. Look how bright it is. And to turn it off, you just spin it. This is waterproof. I've never seen anything like that. So this is why I love mystery boxes, because you never know what you're going to find. Okay, this is magnesium and a striker right here. Wow, that's unique. Usually you get only striker in this kind of design, not magnesium as well. So very cool, one of a kind item for sure. And another multi-tool knife. Bottle opener, screwdriver, can opener, very nice, whoops. Another screwdriver, nail file, and a wine bottle opener. Super useful. And of course you can remove these pieces right here and just fill it up the good stuff. This is just for example they're showing you and giving you extra stuff. But again, you don't have to have just this stuff. You can really fill it up with your own stuff once you take off the plastic. Look at this survival kit. It's amazing, and it's a waterproof case. I can't believe I never seen this survival kit before. I scanned every single barcode and I found exact item, exact company on Amazon, and I wrote down every single item cost of it, and most of them between $5 to $15 items. Even this one, this thing was only $15. I really thought it was gonna be at least $30. Nope, not that much. But still, I love it because I never seen survival kit like that. That is waterproof case, very durable. So it's highly valuable to me because I can show it to you guys. You probably never seen that before either. But the most expensive items was this Gerber canister with a holder like that, an aluminum pot on it, was $45 on Amazon. And this thing right here, Black Hawk, a water backpack, drinker, whatever you wanna call it, is $62. But because there's so many items, I come up with $231, about that. So I paid $150 and I got $231 worth of items. This is awesome. So in conclusion, guys, this is what mystery box is supposed to be. You pay a lot less what you get because you buy a lot of stuff in bulk, and especially this one is amazing. I can't believe it's almost $90 more what they actually asked for, because I only paid $150 and I got $230 worth of survival camping gear. You know I'm gonna be using, and if I'm not, I'm just gonna put it in my survival bug out section. Never know when you're gonna need it, because I will be prepared. And most of this stuff, actually 99% of this stuff is new with tags. Maybe cooking set right here without the tag. And I even found this was 10 bucks on Amazon. It was actually pretty easy to find. So, and this thing right here, I said this is gonna be about 5 bucks. So this is just a really cheap but durable knife. But everything else had a tag. This is the best mystery camping box I ever got on eBay. So I'm very happy with this purchase. Definitely going to use this stuff. Anyways, let me know in comments below what do you think about this video. Don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you next time.